Hello, hello, hello. It is Nicole. Nicole is making it happen once again at CVS. And I am here for some really easy deals for you guys to do. I decided to do this video because so many people have been inboxing me and emailing me and messaging me asking me how can they save some money without getting the coupons out of the Sunday paper. So I came up with a couple deals that you can do without getting the coupons in the Sunday paper. But you do need to download the CVS app, and you will need to print out a coupon off of the computer. So it's very easy to save. You don't always need the Sunday paper. There's other resources where you can get savings and secret discounts and things. And that's what I'm here for, to show those to you and share all of my secrets with you. So before we get started, I want you to do me a favor, and I want you to hit that button right below so that you can subscribe to my channel and you won't miss out on any secret deals and savings that I have for you. I just want to help your dollar stretch just a little bit longer. Like my video, share it with your friends and family, share it on your Twitter, your Facebook, your Instagram, whatever social media platform you choose, and then tell more people about it. The more people saving, the better. So guys, we're going to get started with the deals. I'm going to grab all the items, put them in the cart, and then when we get up to the register, I'm going to show you exactly what coupons you need to get and exactly what you need to do. And I'll do it halfway through the video too, okay? So we're going to get some Febreze, we're going to get some Sure deodorant, and we're going to get some Renew contact solution. So first we're going to start with the Sure deodorant. So let me show you the ad. I'm going to turn my camera around. And I'm going to show you the CVS ad, because you always want to do your research while you're couponing so that your deals don't take as long in the store, okay? So the very first thing we're going to grab is this deal here. I can't turn the page with one hand. Okay, so you see they have this deal here. It is the Select Sure and Brute deodorant. You pay $2 and you get a $2 extra care buck back. So basically you're going to get this free. What I'm going to do in these transactions is I'm going to show you how to roll extra bucks so that you continuously use them over and over again. And this says that this offer is limit 1 per household, so you can only do this deal one time. So I'm going to grab one of the deodorants, and as you can see, they're $2, and if you buy one, you get $2 in extra bucks. So I'm going to put this here in the cart. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab some Renew contact solution, and I will show you that deal also. This is a fabulous deal, and anyone who uses contact solutions, you definitely want to go ahead and do this deal as soon as possible, because I'm not sure when this will be back around. So let me show you what it looks like in the ad. Turn my camera around. Okay, so here in the ad, you see the picture is for Renew or BioTrue. Okay, you're going to get the 10-ounce BioTrue or the 12-ounce Renew. We're going to do the 12-ounce Renew. It's on sale for $7.99, and if you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck. And as you can see, that's limit 1 also. So I'm going to grab one of those. So here you can see it's regularly $9.49, and it's on sale for $7.99, and then you get the $2 extra buck, which will bring it down to $5.99. But guys, we're not going to pay $5.99 for that. What I want you to do, and I'm just going to get this together here so you can see it. I want you to go to Renew renewal.com. Here, I'll put it here. Go to renewal.com and you're going to print out a $5 coupon. So this is on sale for $7.99. But we're going to print out the $5 coupon, which is going to bring it down to $2.99. But then we're going to get a $2 extra buck. So make sure that you print that out so that you can do this deal. Now, the third transaction we're going to do is for some Febreze products. So Febreze is on sale this week at CVS. Select Febreze products is on sale for $2.99. Now, what you're going to need to do to do this deal is download the CVS app. You want to make sure you download that CVS app because you can get coupons on there that are normally in the Sunday paper. So that saves you from having to buy a Sunday paper. So I'm going to show you exactly what the coupons look like on the app. So give me a minute to get the phone up for you. Okay, so this is, I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see this. So in the ad, you see, it says Febreze products are on sale for $2.99. So if you have the CVS app, which I'm going to show you what that looks like. So when you open the app up, once you download it, you're going to hit deals and rewards. Then you're going to have all kind of coupons that come up that are actually tracked from your extra care card. It gives you coupons for things that you actually buy on a weekly basis. So what we're going to do is we're going to clip the Febreze coupons. So the first one, it says save $3 by getting 2 Febreze small spaces. So they're on sale for $2.99. So that's like buying one and getting one free, right? Okay, so I'm going to grab 2 of these because that's what the coupon says. Okay, now, and you have to make sure you clip it so that it's added to your account. And now you're going to go down and you're going to get the other Febreze coupon. There's actually 3. There's one for a free plug-in, but this store is sold out of those, so I'm not going to be able to get those. So I'm just looking for the other Febreze coupon. Okay, so this one is save $3 when you buy 2 Febreze air products. Again, those are on sale for $2.99. So I'm going to clip that. Okay, and I'm going to grab 2 Febreze air products. I'm going to get the linen and sky because that's my favorite scent. Okay, so now I'm going to head up to the register and I'm going to do 3 different transactions. And I'm going to show you how to roll your extra care bucks. Okay, first we're going to do the deodorant, which is on sale for $2. We're going to pay $2, get a $2 extra care buck back. Then we are going to, are you in line? Okay. Then we're going to use that $2 to pay for the Renewal Bausch & Lomb contact solution. We're going to get a $2 extra buck back from there, and then we're going to roll that to pay for our Febreze. So I'm standing in line, and as soon as we get to the register, I will show you exactly how this transaction works, and you're going to be excited and amazed out of how much money is going to come out of pocket. Okay, so I'm up at the register, and the first thing I'm going to do is put in my extra care card phone number so that the cashier can track my savings and the products that I'm purchasing. So I have to put my phone number in because my card is worn out and old. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around so you know what I'm doing. So I'm going to give him the Sure deodorant. There's no coupons with that. As you can see, it's $2 with tax. It's $2.12. So I will show you the extra bucks that I get. Thank you. Thank you. So here is my receipt. And as you can see, I got $2 in extra bucks that I'm going to use on the next purchase. So the next thing I'm going to ring up is the Renew contact solution. And I have to put my phone number again. Every time you do a transaction, you have to put your phone number in. So I'm going to sit the camera down so I can tear off the $2 extra buck to give to the cashier. So I'm going to give him the $2 extra buck that I got from the first transaction. And I'm going to give him the Renew coupon that we printed off of the computer. So you can see $7.99. $5 came off. $2 came off. So I'm going to pay $1.05. Okay. There's that. So now I'm going to get $2 extra bucks back from that transaction. Okay. Okay, so here is the $2 extra buck that I got from that transaction. I'm going to put my phone number in again for the third transaction. And I'm going to give him the 2 Air Febreze. I'm going to give him the 2 small spaces. Okay, and you can see those ringing up. And the coupons that I clipped on the app will come up. They are called CRTs. As you can see, $3 came off 2 times. So my total is $6.32. But I'm going to give him the $2 extra bucks. Thank you. And that will come off. We'll bring the grand total to $4.20. Now I won't be getting any more extra bucks back because the Febreze deal. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and thank you for your patience. The Febreze deal did not give you extra bucks. I normally only do deals with extra bucks, but I at least wanted to show you guys how you can save money with just using the coupons off of the app and not having to buy a Sunday paper. So there you are. Guys, I hope you go out and do this deal. Download the app. Don't forget to print your coupon off of renew.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, keep on saving.